but sometimes we misuse our freedom in ways that harm our planet and ourselves. One day we do this by polluting our environment, wasting water and throwing away the food. Polluting our environment is not just hurting the earth, which means hurting ourselves. Wasting water is like pouring freedom down the drain. Every drop of water is precious and we should use it wisely. And throwing away the food is like throwing away the freedom to eat tomorrow. Food is a gift and we should respect it by not wasting it. But unfortunately, we have not always used our freedom wisely. Throughout history, we have seen the devastating consequence of misusing our freedom. The Bhopal disaster in 1984, which killed thousands of people and injured many more, was a result of the careless use of freedom by a few individuals. The Chernobyl nuclear disaster in 1986, which contaminated a large area and affected millions of people, was another example of misusing of freedom. The Australian bushfires due to global warming in 2020, which burned a million of acres of land and killed hundreds of people and animals, was a stark reminder of consequence of our actions. More recently, we are facing the devastating effect of climatic changes, rising temperature, melting glaciers, and extreme weather events are all consequences of our actions, which are caused by our misusing of freedom. As the proverb says, the earth has music for those who listen. Let's listen to the earth's music and take care of it.